In this video, we will see how to graphically represent displacement of vectors. So graphical representation of displacement of vectors is in reference to North Pole, South Pole, West and East directions. Now, let's say you have this vector here. I'm pointing out this vector here. So if this vector, let's say it's a position vector, and this is our north and that's our south pole, and this is our west and this is our east. So if we need to know what is this vector's position in relation to the north pole, we could say this is towards the west of north. If it was on this direction, you would call it east of north. On this direction, it is west of north. And the second measure that you would use is either the radians or the degree to see what is the angle that it makes with reference to the north pole. So you would address this as west of north. Then this direction or this position vector can also be illustrated from the direction west by addressing it as north of west. It's towards the north of west, whereas this would be south of west. All right. Similarly, if you have a vector here, this vector here, which is south of west, can also be addressed with reference to the south pole. So it is towards the west of south. We call this as west of south. I'm sure that you're able to guess what this would be. I'll give you a second to just guess it. Yes, it's east of south. And similarly, this same vector can be represented or illustrated from the east. So that would be south of east. And this vector here can be addressed as north of east. And this vector can also be addressed as east of north. So that's how vectors are illustrated. Let us mark this problem here, which says represent graphically the displacement of 30 kilometers 60 degrees west of north. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume this magnitude, whatever we're going to scale, is 30 kilometers, but we would keep our prime focus on the 60 degrees west of north. So when you say west of north, this is the north. West of north would be somewhere here, and it is 60 degrees. So the measure of our degrees from here would be 60 degrees. So now let me bring in my protractor, and I'm going to mark 60 degrees from here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So it's 60 degrees from the north. Now let's try and solve the second problem. It says 60 kilometers 50 degrees south of east. So where is south of east? South of, this is east. South of east is here. All right. And it is 50 degrees. So I have brought in my protractor again and marked 50 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Thank you for watching Maths Tutorial Anand. Please like, and you can comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.